Dear students, today we are discussing about CBNST Unit 4 Curve Fitting and Approximation, and our today's topic is fitting a straight line curve. There are the basically four methods for curve fitting. First one is graphical method, next is method of least square, next is method of group average, and the last method is method of movements. Students, students, in our syllabus we use method of least square. There are the various curves which uses method of least square. These curves are straight line curve, that is y is equal to a plus bx, fitting an exponential curve y is equal to a into e to the power bx, and the next curve is y is equal to a into x to the power b, and the next curve is p into v to the power r is equal to k, and the next curve is xy is equal to b plus ax, and the next curve is y is equal to ax square plus b over x, and the next curve is y is equal to ax plus bx square. Next curve y is equal to ax plus b upon x, and the next curve y is equal to a into b to the power x, and the next curve is y is equal to a plus b upon x plus c upon x square, and the last curve is y is equal to c0 upon x plus c1 into root x. Students, in this lecture we will fit a straight line curve. Students, as we know that the equation of a straight line is equal to y is equal to a plus bx. In this equation we have the value of a and b, and if we find the value of a and b and put it in this equation, then we find a straight line curve. So for doing this, students, we take the summation of both sides of equation number 1, then sigma y is equal to sigma a plus bx, and sigma y is equal to na plus b sigma x, where n is the number of available data, in the given table. If we can multiply by x to the equation number 1, then we can get xy is equal to ax plus bx square, and we taking summation on both sides, then sigma xy is equal to sigma ax plus bx square, then sigma xy is equal to a sigma x plus b sigma x square, and we put the values of sigma x square, sigma xy, and sigma x and sigma y in equation number 2 and 3, then we have two variables, that is a and b, and we have two equations. So after solving these two equations, we can get the value of a and b, and we put these value in equation number 1, that is y is equal to a plus bx, then we can get the equation of a straight line. Student, we can explain with the help of an example. Let we want to fit a straight line curve y is equal to a plus bx from the following data. X is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 8, and the y data is 2.4, 3, 3.6, 4, 5 and 6. So firstly we create a table of x, y, xy and x square data as follows. Student, we know Then the value of x is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 8. We put these values in this form 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 8, and we have the data of y, that is 2.4, 3, 3.6, 4, 5 and 6. We put it 2.4, 3, 3.6, 4, 5 and 6, and again we find the value of x into y. Then xy is equal to 1 into 2.4, that is 2.4, 2 into 3, that is 6, 3 into 3.6, that is 10.8, 4 into 4, that is 16, 6 into 5, that is 30, 8 into 6, that is 48. And we also find the value of x square. As we know, the value of x is equal to 1, then the value of x square is 1 into 1, that is 1. The value of x is equal to 2, 2 into 2, that is 4. Value of x is equal to 3, 3 into 3, that is 9. The value of y is equal to 4, 4 into 4, that is 16. The value of 6 is equal to 6 into 6, 36. And the value, that is 8, that is 8 into 8, that is 54. Now finally we find the value of sigma x, that is 24. 24 is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8, that is equal to 24. And sigma y is equal to 2.4 plus 3 plus 3.6 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6, that is 24. And sigma xy is equal to 2.4 plus 6 plus 10.8 plus 16 plus 30 plus 48, that is 113.2. And finally the value of x square is 1 plus 4 plus 9 plus 16 plus 36 plus 64, that is sigma x square, that is 130. Students, as we know the equation of a straight line curve, that is y is equal to a plus bx, and to find the value of a and b we use these two supporting equations, that is sigma y is equal to na plus b sigma x, and sigma xy is equal to a sigma x plus b sigma x square. Put the values of sigma x, sigma y, sigma xy and sigma x square in equation 2 and 3. Then we find these equations. 24 is equal to 6a plus 24b, 113.2 is equal to 24a plus 130b. And after solving these two equations, we get the value of a is equal to 1.9765 and the value of b is equal to 0.5059, and put these value in equation number 1, that is y is equal to a plus bx, and we get the straight line curve equation, that is y is equal to 1.9765 plus 0.5059 x. Thank you.